The first thing that you want to do as an absolute beginner is pick out a really good jump rope, and I'm going to tell you just how. Most of you have a regular jump rope, also called a PVC rope. This jump rope is about $8. You can find it in any Walmart, and normally people start out with this, but I don't suggest that you do that. I suggest you spend a couple more dollars and get yourself a weighted jump rope, not a weighted handle jump rope, a weighted jump rope. And this would be much better for gaining confidence and gaining coordination in jumping. This is because a weighted jump rope moves a lot slower than your regular PVC rope, which while PVC ropes have their uses, they're just not especially great for beginners that don't have a lot of coordination. While I use the cross rope, Get Lean Set, is perfect for beginners, but it can be a bit pricey. At the time of taping this, it comes in about $120 on Amazon, but I do absolutely love it, and it has been great to me and a great help in getting in shape. If you aren't looking for something quite so expensive, check out the link I have below. I think this rope is the perfect jump rope for beginners. Now let's get you the right size jump rope. This chart right here has all the proper size jump ropes for everybody's height. Check it out, pause the video so you can get the right size jump. Now if you already have a jump rope and you're trying to size it up to make sure it is correct, use the method you see on the screen right here. The next thing you want to do is get all your proper gear. I know what you're thinking, jump rope, don't all you need is a jump rope, space and opportunity? Well, there's a couple more things that I recommend that you get just to prevent injuries and keep you jumping longer, getting you in shape fast. The first thing I recommend is knee sleeves or knee braces, whichever way you want to call them. Knee sleeves are more what I'm looking for. Now, even if you don't have knee issues, I think you should always wear knee sleeves. These things help prevent injuries as much as they help you get over chronic injuries. Knee sleeves are meant to keep your knees warm so that you can keep jumping longer. Knee sleeves also prevent you from getting Achilles tendonitis, jumper's knee, and a host of other injuries if you wear them while you're jumping. A good pair of shoes is also a key. I recently got the Skechers Ultra Max cushion shoes, and these things are like walking on air. So when you're jumping, you don't get as much friction from the concrete or whatever surface that you're jumping on below. The next piece of gear that you need is a jump rope mat. And I did an entire video based on the benefits of a jump rope mat, so please check it out. It's in the link in the description box, along with links to all the gear that I mentioned before. Now that you have your jump rope and you have all the gear that you need with it, let's get into proper jump rope form. You have to learn how to jump rope properly. Otherwise, you'll always be tripping and you'll get super frustrated and quit jumping rope. You have to learn how to jump rope properly. I left a link to the video I did below on how to jump rope properly. It's truly important. A lot of people skip steps and try to do advanced level tricks before they ever learn how to jump rope properly. And this is a recipe for disaster and causes people to quit jumping rope before they really even get a chance to get into it. A really good jump rope form is super important. It'll help you get in shape and gain confidence. Alright, now you have your jump rope, you have your gear, you've learned how to jump rope properly. Now let's get you a good jump rope routine. You want something that you can do consistently. When I first got started, I was jumping rope 10 minutes a day. This wasn't just to get my form, I was just trying to stay in shape. Another good thing about getting a routine is you'll see your endurance level increase. All of a sudden, jumping rope for 1 minute will seem like nothing. And if jumping rope for 1 minute seems like forever of a time, check this video out right here. It'll help you increase your endurance and kill that 1 minute routine. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.